In the vast expanse of our universe, there are countless stars, planets, and galaxies, many of which form in bustling regions filled with gas, dust, and cosmic activity. Yet among this cosmic crowd, there exists a star so isolated that it defies our understanding of how stars are born and grow. This star is known as CX330, one of the most isolated young stars ever discovered, and its story challenges what we know about star formation and evolution. CX330 is located approximately 30,000 light-years away from Earth, deep within the Milky Way galaxy. What makes this star so remarkable is its location. While most stars form in dense, active regions of the galaxy, where gas and dust coalesce to create new celestial bodies, CX330 is far removed from these star-forming nurseries. It resides in a barren stretch of space, far from the galactic plane, making its existence a mystery. The discovery of CX330 was not a typical find. In 2016, astronomers using the Chandra X-ray Observatory noticed a bright, energetic source in an area of space where nothing significant was expected to be happening. At first, the discovery was puzzling. Could it be a distant galaxy, a black hole, or something else entirely? Upon further observation, it became clear that this was indeed a star, a highly unusual one due to its extreme isolation. What makes CX330 even more fascinating is its brightness and activity. Despite its lonely location, the star is surprisingly bright, emitting an unusual amount of energy, particularly in the form of X-rays. This kind of activity is typically seen in much younger stars that are still gathering material from their surroundings and growing in size. But in CX330's case, its surroundings are a mystery. It is unclear what this star could be feeding on in such a desolate region of space. CX330's behavior suggests that it is in the protostar phase, a period when a young star is still gathering material from its environment. During this phase, a star pulls in gas and dust, releasing a tremendous amount of energy as the material falls onto its surface. This process, known as accretion, explains why CX330 is so luminous. As it continues to gather material, the star fluctuates in brightness, sometimes dimming when material blocks its light, and other times flaring up when more material is absorbed. However, the big question remains, where is all this material coming from? In such a remote part of the galaxy, there must be some remaining pockets of gas and dust nearby. Perhaps remnants from the star's formation or a sparse cloud that CX330 is slowly consuming. This discovery is remarkable because it suggests that, under the right conditions, stars might be able to form in isolation, far from the usual bustling regions we associate with star formation. There are several theories about how CX330 ended up in such a lonely part of the galaxy. One possibility is that it could be a rogue star, a star that was ejected from its original star-forming region. This could happen if CX330 were part of a binary star system and gravitational forces from a nearby object, such as a black hole, flung it into deep space. Alternatively, CX330 might have formed from a small, isolated cloud of gas and dust that somehow managed to survive in the far reaches of the galaxy. Another intriguing theory is that CX330 could be a relic from the early days of the Milky Way's formation. During that time, the galaxy was much less structured, and stars may have formed in regions that would seem improbable today. If CX330 is indeed a remnant from that era, it could have remained in its isolated region as the galaxy evolved around it. CX330's journey and current state remain one of the great mysteries of modern astronomy. Whether it was ejected from a bustling star-forming region or formed in isolation, its existence challenges our understanding of where and how stars can be born. The study of this lonely star may unlock new insights into the forces that shape our galaxy and the universe beyond. In the end, CX330's story reminds us that even in the vastness of space, there are still mysteries to be uncovered and much to learn about the strange and wondrous processes that govern the cosmos.